Hi, I'm Helga from Helga's Pennsylvania Cooking. Today is another in the Helga's Happy Holidays series, and today I'm going to make a coal region favorite, FLITCH. FLITCH is basically potato candy. It's only got 4 ingredients. It's super simple. Some, depending on where you are, whether you live on that side of the mountain or this side of the mountain, we'll also call them pinwheels, but I will tell you what we call them is delicious. So I haven't made this in years. This is a throwback and I'm excited to make it, and actually I'll be taking some into work here for our holiday party. But FLITCH potato candy, that's what we're making today. Let's get to it. This is it. This is all you need. 3½ cups of powdered sugar, creamy peanut butter. Use a good brand like Skippy or Jiff or it won't taste the same. 1 small potato about the size of an egg. And vanilla. Good quality vanilla. So I took my potato and peeled it and boiled it till it was mashable. And now I'm going to start mashing in the confectioner's sugar. You just keep mashing this in until you get a dough. Some people boil the potato with the skin on first, and then, you know, it just slips off, but I peel it anyway just in case there's anything hiding underneath the skin. And you're going to do this until we get a pliable dough. And don't use more than the small potato either. It goes further than you realize. There we go. And I'm going to add a couple drops of vanilla. Get that mixed in. So here it is. Here's the dough. And we're just going to pat that down and get it rolled out. I have parchment paper down, or you can use a pastry mat, and I threw down a little powdered sugar. Now we're going to take our peanut butter and spread that. I'm going to take and cut this piece off here so that we can kind of Okay, that's rolled up. I'm going to chill it now, and when we get done chilling it, then we can slice it. So I have my FLITCH here, and if I rolled it properly when I was doing it, and I sort of forgot this, you keep it really tight up against the dough, just like you would a jelly roll, so you don't have the cracks. So it's not as pretty, but it doesn't have to be. We're going to slice it anyway. And you get an idea what it's supposed to look like. Not the prettiest I've ever made, but it's been a while and it's still going to eat good. Not the prettiest I ever made, but it eats just fine. So, like I said, I should have kept the paper tight when rolling it. Would have kept the layers more even. And this is how it's supposed to look when you do it right and you roll it right. Homemade FLITCH candy. So there's my not so pretty pinwheel, but a pinwheel. My FLITCH potato candy. If you like sweet and you like peanut butter, this is the way to go. That stuff is so good. It's rich, but it's good. It's sort of like fudge. It's really good. Now, before anybody decides to be the food police and say, oh my god, all that sugar, and a couple of these candy recipes, remember that one, yeah, it's candy, and two, a lot of these recipes are almost like Depression era recipes. The miners and farmers around here worked really hard. They burned off pretty much anything they ate, including the sugars in this candy. And this was only made around the holidays. This was a luxury thing to make, just like the tea berry or mint candies. All of these things were holiday special foods that you didn't get very often. So they're simple, but they're really satisfying. So that's potato candy, FLITCH, coal region candy. Give it a shot.